Why does your scanner show the P0144 engine code? And what does it mean? P0144 is a diagnostic trouble code for O2 sensor circuit high voltage, bank 1, sensor 3. This error code indicates that the PCM or ECM detects an abnormally high voltage signal, typically above 1.0 volts, from bank 1, sensor 3 of the O2 sensor circuit. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, wiring issues, rich running condition, exhaust leaks, PCM or software fault. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mazda, Ford, Nissan, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.